Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time here, where have you been? I'm judging you right now. Shout out to my regulars. Keep liking, commenting, and sharing. I love you all. Please screenshot these ingredients very fast. Kuyaphutuma. Okay? Okay? Anyway, you'll need boiling water, cold water, and your sachets, okay, for your different flavors. So the aim here was to do a rainbow jelly truffle. Yeah, I guess. And okay, your boiling water, you pour 225 milliliters of water, and then you stir completely until everything dissolves, right? And then after you pour another 225 milliliters of cold water. Yabon, you stir. Then now you should wait for it to mold. Okay. Now after that, you place it in the refrigerator. Yeah. Then now, obviously, it has taken some hours to set up. Then you can see my jelly. Now let's make this rainbow jelly truffle. Let's see if it will really come out the way I want it to. Yeah, okay. I'm trusting the process at this point. I'm like, you're gonna cook. Because I have done this before. Okay, it didn't come out perfect, but you can see the vision. But yeah, okay. It's not even aligned. That circle. The rainbow is not, it doesn't even look like that. What kind of a rainbow is this one? Yeah, at this point I knew that I messed up. And then I just kept going, because now you see these things, you can't go back and start afresh and try to do it the right way. But now I realize that I should have used that container, pour the jelly, and then let it mold in the fridge. Then after I layer my stuff bit by bit. But I wasn't clever enough. I just realized now when I'm recording that, why didn't you do that, girl? So here the vision, you can see the vision, but you can see my vision, man. This one I tried, but the vision wasn't, it was okay, somewhat clear, because it just came out with the way it came out in a unique way. But I feel this one was better than that one. That one, even my slip. What is mahlipi in English? Or in Africa is diermekar. Yeah, but this was the vision. Yeah. It looks like it didn't come out the way I wanted it to, because I wanted to have like round and don. But okay, it's gonna eat. It's nice. It's very nice. I have blueberries, strawberry, custard, and strawberry ndondo. It's nice. Though the presentation didn't go as planned, but it's nice. The last time when I didn't make a video, came out very nice. Hi, thank you, Vapel. Seems like 2 weeks in a row I've been getting things wrong, but I'll get it someday. It's just a matter of time. It's nice. One thing about me, I will have to do this thing so I can get it right. So please advise me. How do I even do this rainbow jelly truffle? Please advise me. I'm very young and naive, okay? Please. See you on the next one. Bye.